Hello, I'm Kevin, and this is the real way to make money online. Today I'm going to show you how to make a palm tree silhouette using nothing but shapes. So you can make a palm tree, design art, without actually drawing anything. This isn't going to have any detail. It's going to be a silhouette. Let's go to New Document. I will do it on a square. Yeah, the first thing I'm going to do, make a rectangle, but I'm going to kill the stroke and make it black. Where's my, there we go. This will be the trunk. V for move tool. Guess it doesn't have to be centered, but I'm weird. Okay, now I'm going to convert this to curves. That's right here. Then get my node tool. And here, somewhere in the center, I'm going to make a node there. And right across. Is that on? There it is. Another one. And then I'm going to pull it. And the other one. So we'll have our bend. But right now, if you look at it, those are sharp. So we're going to switch to the corner tool. And select our layer. Grab it. And go big. And now the sharp turns are gone. We need another rectangle. A little wider than normal. Well, than what you'd think for a palm tree. Curve it again. Node tool. Again, right in the center. And then pull it out. A little down will do. Kind of looks like a pencil or a pen. Maybe down more. There it is. Okay, that's going to be our palm leaves. Now we need our pen tool. We're going to make a small triangle. Close it. There. Fill it. Let's make it. Can't make it black. I can't really see that. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Gotta turn off snapping. Because I need it to be where I need it to be. I don't want it snapping on anything. And so there. Control J, duplicate. Slide it over a little. There. And then keep duplicating. It's going down a little, so don't really want that. Duplicate. And now it's going up. I only want straight lines. It's still going up. Okay. Now we take all those, hold down Shift, click on our curve here, which is our branch. Then we go up to our geometry and hit subtract. Now we've got an instant leaf, or whatever, palm frond, whatever it's called. But we've got this thing over here. It's Control plus to zoom in. So I'm going to take another rectangle. That should do. Right about there. Select them both, subtract again. Don't like that. Control Z. Hey. Reduce the opacity so I can see what's going on. Oopsie. Okay, see how that looks. Still don't like that. It worked well the last time I did it, so back to our node tool. It's already a node, nice. So go back to the corner tool. That looks better. Again. Come on. Ooh. That was too much corner. Okay. Control 0. I think I'm going to move this down. That will do. Control J. Okay, J. Okay, now it's time to flip it, I think. No, one more. Use this to flip horizontal. Somehow this got bigger. Longer and thinner. Yeah, as they went up, they got bigger. Didn't notice that. Okay, Control J. Well. Okay, reset it. Control J. See this here? You got the arrow here to make them bigger and smaller, lengthwise. These two, or these two arrows. We'll move it up and down, and I'll show you a quick text thing later to do with that. But right now it's moving for me. Control J. And I have a sinking feeling that's what's making them get bigger. As we go. Look at that. That's crazy. So let's do it a different way. Where'd it go? Okay. I'm going to group that. And the palms. See if I can shrink those down. And I like that. Yeah, oh shoot. Okay. Close that group. Let's show that text thing real quick. Go to our Remove tool. Use this. You can do that. Kind of cool there. And then you can also do it this way. I use this on a few of my t-shirt designs. Kind of looks like italics that way. Till you go that way. Kind of a neat little trick you can, or not trick, little thing you can do with text. Alright, pen tool. Now, where I messed up on my example, I didn't make a straight line here, so I'm holding down Shift. Close it here. And once again, fill it black. Oh shoot! I know. Control Z, escape. Okay, now this, I'll select my trunk and the ground here. Hit the add button. They are now one piece. So I can move that. Now these, if I was gonna use this for a design, I would go back and fix these, because that getting longer thing doesn't quite work. Actually, let's try this. Let's see, I know that's there. Ooh, nice shot. Just delete those. Duplicate that. Flip it. Reset it. Control J. And now, use this instead. And then J. That looks a whole lot better. Now it's done. A little better. Okay, that is it. And what do you use it for? You could slip it into a sunset design, but mostly you'd use it to cut away from something else. And I'll have the example floating by here. If you watched my video on really hard merch designs, you'll see what I did there. Anyway, I hope you liked it, and leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.